So in this video, we're going to go from this to this. Okay, so I purchased a new Wen Mini Lathe, and it came in with some shipping damage on it, as you can see right here to the speed controller box. So I sent them, actually I called them, and they sent me out a new controller. And so in this video, I'm just going to simply swap it out. Now, I've kind of already done a couple of steps here, unfortunately. There's 4 screws right here, pretty simple. There's 4 Phillips head screws there, and on the bottom I've already removed. And then these 2 ground wires right here that I've removed from here as well. And as you can see, I actually used it a little bit while waiting for the speed controller box to come in. It wasn't damaged beyond not being able to function, but it definitely needs to be replaced. So let's dig in and see what it takes to swap this little guy out. Okay, so here's the box. Did not come with a new circuit breaker, so that will have to be pulled out. The switch it does come with. So I'm going to take off this right here first and get it wired up. There's that one. There's that one. And again, I've already taken the ground screws off, the ground wires off from right here. Like a fuse right there, possibly. Yeah, it's a fuse. Okay, so anyway, got to get this connector out, this wire cable out. You can see it pretty good on this one right here. So what you do is you have to push this little piece out to get that grommet out. This one's down here on the bottom, so it's not going to be so easy to capture. I think what I might do is go ahead and pull this one out first. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure it's unplugged first. Okay. So here's how they go in and out. So that just kind of pushes in there, and you push it in. Pulling it out is a little bit more difficult because you got to kind of collapse these sides right here to get it out. A little bit more out of the way. Oh man, that was not going to loose. There we go. Out of the way. And next, I'm going to unplug these 2 wires right here and pull that harness up out of the way. Okay, and plug that in. Oh, well, interesting. Okay, well, apparently the breaker is no longer used. It uses the fuse instead. So, delete that stuff. Just tuck that down in there. Okay, so next, plug this in and put that little piece in there. Put the grommet in. black one went towards the back. White one towards me. Okay, so it plugs in like that. Again, white towards the front, black, back in black. Okay, and then this gets plugged in. Let's see the switch in there. There we go. And these match these wires right here. So this one, the white goes towards the back, like so. Then black goes in the front, like so. Now all we got to do is put these grommets in and then remount everything. Man, I need more wire here. A little extra in there. Okay, there's that one. There. Okay. Now reattach the two ground wires. Then reattach the box with the 4 screws. Again, it's just simply 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, some Loctite probably would have been a good idea to put on that too. Okay, then back here I loosened this to get me a little bit more cable stretch. See if she works. Alright, so it works great. Apparently, again, the new box doesn't need the circuit breaker. I just, in a hurry, swapped everything over. I put it in there, but it's a dummy. It does nothing. It's not plugged into anything. So when you do it, don't bother knocking that plug out because you don't need a circuit breaker. So that's how you swap out the power control box on a Wen Mini Lathe. Check my other videos for a review and quick how to use the mini lathe. And thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.